Will's getting ready to do the wet sand and buffing on our 71 Phantom Cuda, the EV2.
Give me orange.
If it was a Dodge, it's a Plymouth. Tour red.
Tour.
You don't.
I was getting ready to say
I
it.
know you were. You probably meant to say it the first time. Anywho.
Orange.
It's the orange car. He's gonna long block it with 800, which sounds aggressive, but that's what you do when you want to get a panel perfectly flat. Once he does that, he'll massage it out, go into 1,000 grit, 1,500, 2,000, and then 3,000, and ultimately he'll start buffing on it. These peaks, I know you've done them before, but these peaks, they love to burn.
They do.
They can't wait to burn. Their whole thought in life is, I want to burn and leave no paint there. And that's gonna be a hard one to spot in.
Yeah.
Make sure everything's clean, dry, and ready to go.
Well aware.
Make sure there's no flop. What have you done?
It wasn't my fault.
What have you done?
Leave him alone.
You've killed the fly.
Oh, leave it alone. I'm not happy Mark saw the fly because I wanted to get the whole cut and buff done without him even knowing about it, because he'll make a scene about it. He'll post it on Facebook, on Instagram. So I'm sure I'll hear about this for quite some time.
Why would you do this?
Okay, when I walked out, it wasn't here. I come back in and the thing,
Is it the last coat?
it's on the last coat of clear.
When I painted, I got the same thing. You can't control everything. All you gotta do is walk out here into the shop one time and back in while you're waiting for flash coats, and a bug can get in there. Yeah, fly killing. Anyway, I would recommend maybe cutting him out with a razor blade.
I can take care of
You
it.
don't say that to a lot of the painters around town. Be sure you cut all the bugs out with a
Is
razor
that my,
blade.
how is that my fault?
It's happened to me 100 times. You get a bug, you get a mosquito, an insect or something. In this case, you got a little baby fly. You want to kill a little baby fly. But it'll cut right out.
I'm good to go buffing. I think he signed off on it. I think he just likes to come out here and be silly, but it really didn't need to be signed off on. That was time to cut and buff. He's happy with it, so I can go ahead and get started on it. We're ready right now. I got a list in here. We got the room prepped. It's 100% sterile. We're ready to head over there and make our cuts, but got to get the gloves on first.
All right. Make this look a lot easier on TV.
You got to pull down.
You got the right size?
Pretend it's a condom.
What?
Alyssa's out here helping me. It's kind of a technical thing. She wants to be a part of it, so we're kind of working together to see if we can get the fly out. So this is what you're going to grab the corpse with. You got to be very careful not to smash them. So that'll be yours. This is the razor blade we're going to use to make nice cuts. It's kind of a delicate procedure. You know, the fly has to be held onto just right.
It's like an oven in here.
It's not even hot. It's freezing outside.
Well, I just mean the way it feels.
So we're going to head in right now and get that body cut off and start sanding on the legs.
A little bit stressed out.
All you gotta do is grab it. I'm gonna kind of flick it off so you can get in there.
Okay.
Now put them on the rack.
Ooh.
We're good. Didn't have too many problems. Alyssa was a little jittery with the pliers around the...
I was stressed out. It was a delicate procedure.
It was. But she handled it like a champ. We made nice, clean cuts, had no problem removing the fly. So here's the fly. So now we're gonna tilt the car down and start sanding out the legs. It should come out just fine. It's in the last coat of clear.
What happens if you go past the clear?
Then that's repainting the car.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Does this happen a lot in body shops? With like the fly situation?
I don't
Getting
know,
into the paint?
I've only worked for your dad.
So,
I've never
I mean,
worked
is
there.
this something that you think other painters are gonna run into? or-
Probably.
Yeah?
Probably. It just sucks that it's on TV. All right, we're good. That looks pretty good.
Yeah, you can't see it. Like it never happened.
That's right, never happened. Operation Take Out the Fly is complete.
Thanks. It was fun.
Thank you.
Let's work together again sometime, yeah?
Soon.